Good morning, my dear. Hello, everyone. I'm Soumya. I'm your class teacher. Today, I will teach you the role of machines in our daily life and types of the machines. So, a smart machine. What is a smart machine? Here we have some pictures of machines that are laptop, camera, telephone, toaster, aeroplane, car. These are called smart machines. What is a machine? So, what is a machine? Can you tell me, my dear? Do you know what is a machine? Just now we learned, right? Computer, laptop, mobile phone, aeroplane, or the machine. So, a machine is a man-made thing which makes our work easier. Easy is nothing but it is very handled with our comfortable. That is called easy things. So these machines are used by us in our daily life. In our day-to-day life, we find many machines around us. What are the many machines around us? Yes, the television, mobile phone, mixer grinder, and what? Calculator, sharpener, eraser, washing machine, refrigerator. These also called what? Yes, machines. So what you are seeing in the video, what we are going to see in this video is one boy is writing something on his note and he also using laptop and mobile phone. So we use machines every day. He is also using machine to finish his work, right? Machines make our work easy. Desktop, laptop, mobile phones and tablet are types of computer which we use every day. A child is working on a laptop to complete his homework. He is also using mobile phone to share his work with his friend. So he is using mobile phone to speak, share messages with his friends. Machines are two types. Machines are two types. What are they? What are they? Yes, one is, read that baby. One is electrical machines. Electrical machines. Another is non-electrical machines. So some machines need electricity to work. They are called electrical machines. Example, fan, toaster, refrigerator. Fan, toaster, refrigerator. These machines are need what? Yes, electricity. So these are called electrical machines. So what are the electrical machines? Fan, toaster, and refrigerator. Just look out the picture. Fan. So here some of the electrical machines. What are they? Television, mobile phones, mixer grinder, washing machine. So television is also an electrical machine. Mobile phone is also an electrical machine. Mixer grinder is an electrical machine. Washing machine is an electrical machine. These all machines need electricity to do their work. Okay. Without electrical power, they will not able to do their work. So they need electrical power. So they are called electrical machines. Just look at the pictures. Take a note of it. Write down the things that what I taught you. Television, mobile phones, mixer grinder, washing machine. Now are you clear, my babies? Now are you clear, my children? Here we have two machines. What are they? Washing machine and an iron box. So these are an electrical machine. So let me see the uses of these machines. Washing machine. A washing machine washes clothes easily. We use it to wash our clothes. And what is the uses of iron box? After washing, we iron our clothes with it. Mixer grinder. Another electrical machine. We generally use it in our home to make different things. What are the different things we made in our home? Your mother prepared a delicious juice and chutney and your favorite side is all by this. Here is another electrical machine, television. We watch our favorite cartoon on this, isn't it? Yes. Not only cartoon, movies also we can watch through television. We found this in our homes, hotels, etc. Here we have mobile phone and fan. Okay, so these are what? These are electrical machines. So let me see the uses of it. Mobile phone. The uses of the mobile phone is we use it to make calls, ching, play games, etc. Fan. What is the uses of fan? A fan is a machine which blows air. It helps us in summer season because in summer season sun is too hot, right? So we need fan. So it is one of the electrical machine. It needs electrical power to work. Here we have some other non-electrical machines. What is mean by non-electrical machines? Some machines do not need electricity to work. They are called non-electrical machines. Examples: scissor, bicycle, hammer and sharpener. These machines are not need electrical power to do their work. So that we are called, these machines are non-electrical machines. Just go through the picture. Scissors, bicycle, hammer, sharpener. It doesn't need an electrical power. Hereafter, we will see about the uses of these machines. You use sharpener in your class time, right? To sharpen your pencil. Does sharpener need any electrical power to sharpen the pencil? No. So what is this, my dear? Here we have three pictures, right? What are they? First one is nail cutter. And then the second one is car. Third one is camera. These are also called non-electrical machines. It doesn't need an electrical power. It just an example for non-electrical machine. Touch the nail cutter, touch the car, touch the camera. What is the color of the nail cutter? green. What is the color of car? Red. What is the color of camera? It's in violet, black and yellow in all together, right? Very good. Here we have some other picture. This is car. This is a non-electrical machine. And this is a sharpener. It is a non-electrical machine. It does not need an electrical power to do this work. What is the color of sharpener? Red. Very good. What is this? Tell me, my dear, what is this? Yes, correct. This is an aeroplane. Aeroplane is also a machine, but it is a non-electrical machine. What is this? Already we discussed about fan, correct? This is an electrical or non-electrical machine? Yes, this is an electrical machine. It needs what? Electrical power or current to do that work. It is a ceiling fan. And here we have the table fan. Table fan also need an electrical power. So what is this, my dear? Wow, it is a beautiful bicycle, right? How many of you like to ride bicycle? Super. I also like to ride bicycle in my childhood days. Okay, so bicycle is a non-electrical or an electrical machine? Yes, bicycle is a non-electrical machine. It does not need any electrical power to ride. Okay, my dear? If somebody come and ask you about this bicycle is an electrical or non-electrical, you have to tell bicycle is a non-electrical machine. So what is this? It's a camera, right? By camera we can shoot our beautiful picture. So this is a non-electrical machine. So tell me, what is this? This is a washing machine, correct? What is the uses of washing machine? We can wash our clothes by using this machine. This is also a electrical machine. What is this, my dear? This is another electrical machine. It's called refrigerator. We have keep so many things in this machine, correct? So kindly watch carefully. What is this? This is a scissor. It doesn't need any electrical power. And this is a hammer. It doesn't need an electrical power to do its work. So what is this? It is a pressure cooker, right? It is also a one of non-electrical machine. So super, what is this? Do you the name of this machine? Smart. My students are very smart. Yes, you are correct. This is a computer. A computer is also an electrical machine. Computer, a smart machine. We see many things around us. Some of them are man-made like car, TV, fan, etc. while others are natural like trees, sand, birds, animals, etc. Do you know what is machine? This is a TV. It is a machine. It uses electricity to work. We use TV to watch cartoons and movies. This is a refrigerator. It is a machine. It uses electricity to work. We use refrigerator to keep some cool things. This is a washing machine. It uses electricity to work. This is a bicycle. It is a machine. It uses manpower to work. We use bicycle to go to places from one place to another place. This is a plane. It is a machine. It uses fuel like petrol or diesel to work. In this way, machines help us in many different ways. Some of them help us to do our work quickly, while others make our life more comfortable and fast. Machines does not get tired. Today we are going to see a smart magical machine which can do many different types of work for us. This machine is called computer. Just like other machines, computer are also runs on electricity. Do you know why we called it a smart machine? It is because of its special qualities.
We use machines every day. Machines make our work easy. Desktop, laptop, mobile phone, and tablet are types of computers which we use every day. Here, a child is working on a laptop to complete his homework. He is also using a mobile phone to share his work with his friends. Man started from a wheel of a bullock cart. Now he has reached the runways of airport.
So I am going to play some video for your recap session. Kindly watch it carefully, my dears.
A machine. Computer. Hello, children. My name is Mouse. Today, I will tell you the role of machines in our daily life and the importance of the computer as a machine. A machine is a man-made thing which makes our work easier. These machines are used by us in our daily life. In our day-to-day life, we find many machines around us. Let's see some of them. This is a television. We watch our favorite cartoons on it. This is a mixer grinder. We generally use it in our home to make different things. This is a washing machine. We use it to wash our clothes. This is a calculator. We use it to do our calculations very quickly. This is an electric iron. After washing, we iron our clothes with it. This is a motorcycle. We use it to travel from one place to another. This is a mobile phone. We use it to make calls, play games, etc.
So today class is over. Thank you for your cooperation, my dear. Prepare for the next class. Thank you.